If you create content with AI, you've probably seen the headlines. YouTube is cracking down on AI content. Some creators believe AI channels are finished. Others think monetization is about to disappear. But that's not what YouTube actually said. So, what's really happening? In this video, we'll break down YouTube's latest policy update, explain what it actually means for AI creators, and show you how to stay ahead instead of getting left behind. What actually changed? For years, YouTube has rewarded creators who produce original, valuable content. That hasn't changed. What has changed is YouTube's growing focus on low-quality, repetitive, mass-produced videos. The kind of content that's often called AI slop. These are videos created with little or no human creativity. The same voice. The same visuals. The same script structure. Repeated hundreds of times across different channels. YouTube is making one thing clear. Using AI isn't the problem. Producing low-value content is. Is YouTube against AI? This is where many people get confused. YouTube isn't banning AI. In fact, many successful creators already use AI every day. To write, edit, generate subtitles, create graphics, translate content, improve production. AI has become another creative tool. Just like a camera or video editing software. The issue isn't whether you use AI. The issue is whether your content provides genuine value to viewers. AI is a tool. Value is still your responsibility. Who should be worried? If your strategy is simply copying trending topics, generating hundreds of nearly identical videos, and hoping the algorithm rewards volume, then yes. This update should get your attention. But if you're using AI to create original ideas, teach people, solve problems, or tell meaningful stories, you're building exactly the kind of content YouTube wants to promote. Technology evolves. But one thing never changes. Audiences reward creators who genuinely help them. The future belongs to creators, not content factories. What this means for AI creators. This update is actually an opportunity. Because as YouTube raises the quality bar, low-effort channels become easier to filter out. That gives thoughtful creators a better chance to stand out. Instead of asking how much content can AI produce, start asking how much value can I create with AI. That single shift changes everything. AI doesn't replace creativity. It amplifies it. How to use AI the right way. The creators who thrive in the AI era won't be the ones who use the most AI. They'll be the ones who use AI the most intelligently. Use AI to research faster. Organize your ideas. Improve your editing. Generate visuals. Speed up your workflow. But never let AI replace your thinking. People don't subscribe to software. They subscribe to creators they trust. The most valuable part of your content isn't the AI. It's your perspective. The bigger picture. Every major technology follows a familiar pattern. When digital cameras arrived, some people feared photography would lose its artistic value. It didn't. When video editing software became easier, great storytelling became even more important. AI is following the same path. As creating content becomes easier, original thinking becomes more valuable. Because when everyone has access to the same tools, the real difference is no longer the technology. It's the person using it. When tools become common, originality becomes rare. What should you do now? If you're building a YouTube channel, don't panic. Adopt. Instead of asking, can AI make my videos, ask, how can AI help me make better videos? Focus on solving real problems. Share genuine experiences. Develop your own voice. Build trust with your audience. Because no AI can replace the relationship you build with people over time. The creators who survive this shift won't necessarily be the fastest. They'll be the most valuable. Algorithms change. Value doesn't. Artificial intelligence is changing content creation. That's undeniable. But YouTube isn't rewarding AI for the sake of AI. It's rewarding creators who use AI to produce content people genuinely want to watch. So don't fear the update. Understand it. Use AI to become more creative, not more repetitive. Because in the end, the creators who win won't be those who use the most AI. They'll be the ones who create the most value. If you enjoy videos that help you navigate AI, content creation, and emerging technology with clarity, consider subscribing to Web Oracle. That's exactly what we're building here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.